Hi friends, tonight on Due to the Travel Bug, we hop in the family van and buckle up as we go through the haunted car wash in Medina, Ohio.
So, where are we going today?
We are going to get the car washed.
Why?
Because we're running out of things to do on this channel, so I figured we'll go to the vet and get the cat's nails trimmed after this too.
Show me painting a wall.
Yeah. No. We're going to Medina, Ohio to the haunted car wash.
There's a haunted car wash?
Haunted car wash.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that because so many people died going through the car wash? That sounds dangerous.
I don't know what to expect. I'm super excited, and we get the car cleaned too, which never happens, so it's a twofer.
Fun.
Ready?
Yep.
All right, let's go. So we are heading to the Rainforest Car Wash just off I-71 in Medina, Ohio. The Rainforest Car Wash has transformed itself into a spooky way to social distance this Halloween. It's $20 a car for the scares and the suds.
Whoa!
All right, guys, we're gonna be next. Are we nervous?
Ooh, it's spooky, beads. Is there a crazy bird person? Eba, look at the crazy bird person. Following us, beads.
This is actually a really good car wash. What'd everybody think?
I thought it was good.
Yeah? You liked it, Beebs? Mm-hmm. Thumbs up? Mm-hmm. Daddy, what'd you think?
It was cool. Scariest part, though, might have been the officer outside directing traffic, because he's been standing there for hours. He's not happy.
He is not a happy guy. And he's carrying a loaded weapon, we're assuming.
Right. Yeah,
so,
he was the truly dangerous thing in this whole...
That was better than a haunted house, because we got our car washed then on top of it.
Yeah,
so,
clean car.
Awesome. All right, super fun.
Yep.
Very cool.
For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodlebug goes next.